Well, I'm pretty sure which I get Steve done for littering. Littering.
Why would they even accuse me of such a trivial thing?
No. He stole. Yes, we need to get him the worst punishment.
I didn't just litter on the street. I blew up their houses.
We need to send them to the pit of death. To the pit of death.
I blew up their moms. I got their kids down in my basement. Why did they pick littering? In fact, I made their town look better. It fits the rest of the town at this point. So it doesn't even matter that I litter. They deserve it. Boop, 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 boop. You know what I'm going to do? If they don't release me within the next hour, that kid's going to starve for the next 24 hours, and I'm not letting them go.
Alrighty, we are gathered here today for Villager versus Steve. Prosecution, tell us about the case.
We have reports that Steve has stolen my client's emeralds and trespassed on his property, and also kidnapped and littered in the village.
Objection, he'll say! Objection
Your Honor,
overruled.
Your Honor, I would like to submit this trespassing warning into evidence.
Your Honour, that trespassing could have been made for anyone. There's no evidence that has been provided that Steve here has trespassed.
It is clearly named Steve.
It don't matter. Where's your evidence to say they have trespassed? You've just got a thing that says trespass, but you don't have any evidence of them actually trespassing.
I would like to submit this police report into evidence to back up my claims
That
of
police
trespassing.
report is false. Steve's done nothing.
Argumentative.
There's no police in the Minecraft universe.
Order!
There's no police in the Minecraft universe, so where the hell did he get that?
You wished. Continue.
Objection. Argumentative. Your Honor, the prosecution would like to call the first witness. Right, villager number 9. Damn it, try that again. You don't even know my name!
Your Honor, they don't even know the witness. How can this witness stand here? While this person doesn't even know them.
Bored. You guys look at the same anyways. When you
Steve, keep the racism inside. Keep the racism inside.
Stop objecting to him.
But they all have receding hairlines, bro.
Right.
They don't even have hair.
Order.
Hello. Where were you the night of October the 73rd? I was looking into the pit of death. My ex-wife was there. I saw this guy walking towards that house.
Objection! I have a photograph of this witness here, in fact, being drunk in the streets with a butterfly.
You did not. Objection! I object to this evidence as
you can see here, this is the very same man that's in the photograph.
Order. Objection overruled. Objection overruled. Wait till I tell you.
Right. Can we continue on with the question now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, villager number 9, keep your answers short and simple. When you were visiting the pit of death that night, as you previously said, did you see the accused? Yes, as I was trying to say, I was looking into the pit of death. When I was turning back to go back to my house, I saw this guy walking to another house and then littering. The worst offense in the village. At this point, Your Honor, I would like to submit evidence to the court. I usually would have a copy for everyone, but it is clearly
Your Honor, that looks
depicting-
nothing like my client.
It clearly depicts Steve littering in the village. Do you agree?
The biggest offense in this fucking village should be you having that big of a goddamn head and having the IQ of 0.
Do that. You need to tell him to be silent. Another outburst or you'll hold him in contempt.
Can you stop telling the judge how to do their job, villager? You're micromanagement over here.
You
I know how a courtroom works.
looking
In
motherfuckers.
court, Your Honor. Have them dealt with.
This is the most unprofessional courtroom I've ever seen. And I've seen
You
courtrooms.
rolled
Yeah, well, you come from a village for villager news.
Order. You no tell me what to do, or I will have you in contempt of court. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You shut up until I tell you you can ask questions. Right. The court rejects this bit of evidence on the grounds of it's not related to the case in hand.
The prosecution has no further comments or questions at this time.
You glitched out the
Over
word.
to the defense.
May I speak now, Your Honor?
Go ahead, defense.
Now, what was your name again, villager?
I am villager number 9. I work for villager.
Yes, and
Number 9.
what time do you say you quote unquote saw my client littering?
11-20.
See, that is funny to me because Steve was in fact, and I've got a selfie from Steve's Instagram of them having a facial. As you see, that's from Steve's personal Instagram account that they've allowed me to have access with, and it's time-stamped for that time frame. So if that's the case, how are you seeing them littering?
Objection. Argumentative.
Objection!
Overruled.
Factual.
That's not an objection.
Yeah, well, your mother's my
concur.
objection.
I concur. The facial was from one of your kids.
Honor, may we approach the bench?
He just admitted he was at the house with the kid.
Overruled!
Honor, I would like to
Overruled!
submit
He
evidence.
was at yes. He was at yes. He claimed guilty.
Shut the fuck up!
He was having tea.
Shut up!
Order. No more introductions from you guys.
Just guilty.
Defense.
Now, if I am allowed to continue, not only I have that,
You are?
in fact, photograph from their Instagram, this rifle here, which, of course, they have rights to bear arms, they recently got their weapons license, was purchased around a similar time frame, 3 hours before that photograph, showing they were nowhere near the village, they were in fact halfway all the way around to the gun store. This is their shotgun.
Alright, thank you very much.
Your
Since
Honor,
when
I
were
would like to
guns-
submit a last-minute piece of evidence to the court.
Okay, you may approach the bench.
This is a criminal record under Steve's name. By my knowledge of law and the Constitution, criminals may not bear arms.
That could be
They
any Steve. It could be
have
Steve
served
Jobs
their
and the guy's
time, Your
dead.
Honor. And when they serve their time,
Steve of
they've paid
Minecraft.
their dues. They have paid their
Older
dues
than you.
to society.
Order.
Your Honor, they have paid their dues to society, therefore they were allowed to purchase this rifle.
Under villager law, that is not allowed.
Yes, but they are not from the villager world.
Order! I cannot accept this bit of evidence, I'm afraid, because it is not relevant to the case at hand.
Your Honor, I now ask you to recuse yourself as you are showing bias to the prosecution. Against the prosecution.
Overruled.
Your Honor, I will take immediate action and disbarment against you.
Prosecute against your own genetics for
Your
having
Honor,
such a big
I
nose.
suggest throwing the Bible at these villagers, and I say, of course, it gets thrown out of session.
He's just pushing for a mistrial. At this time, I would like to submit this evidence of chat logs proving that Steve was headed to my client's house.
Ah, shit. Shit.
Oh. What's this?
Your Honor, that could have... That could be anyone's chat log, sir. Your Honor.
Well.
Your Highness.
Well.
You had to message, didn't you?
I didn't know that they were. You promised me. I gave the kid $1,000 not to tell.
I thought I told you last time with Chris Hansen shit, not to message people.
Defendant. A question.
Yes, Your Honor.
Not you. I want to speak to the defendant.
I speak on their behalf, Your Honor. That is why I'm in the defence. Unless they're physically called to the stand, Your Honor.
Mate, you're an attorney. Sit your ass down.
One of these days.
Defendant, can you confirm that this, in fact, indeed, is your rating?
Say no. Say no.
No, it's not mine. It's not mine, Your Honor.
Objection. May I remind the defendant that he is under oath?
I did not see his hand on the Bible for that to happen.
The minute you walked into this courtroom, you are now under oath.
Nah, you gotta put that Bible on your hand and then swear.
I will slap you with the Bible if you don't comply.
I am an atheist!
For witnesses only.
Under villager law, it is a requirement that all people who walk into a courtroom are under oath. Don't you dare.
Order. To answer on the defense attorney's question, it is not required that you have to put your hand on the Bible to be under oath. That is only really for parliamentarians in the House of Commons. Order. I hereby find the defendant not guilty.
Yes! Fuck you, villagers! Fuck you! That's what you get, you villager bellbags. Let's go, Steve. We're heading the pub.
For a retrial.
No, come on!
Adjourned.
Yes! We're gonna steal all your emeralds, bitch. Steve, let's go.
Yeah, I gotta go see the kid.
I'm not gonna lie, you were a horrible lawyer.